Here is a wonderful 2023 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Elevate your daily drive in this solid and stylish Range Rover Evoque. From its all-weather capability to its crisply tailored interior and tech-savvy connectivity, this substantial-feeling subcompact luxury SUV infuses every journey with pure delight. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate. Rediscover the pleasure of the drive in this beautifully crafted Range Rover Evoque. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.